Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block access to extension page in Google Chrome. Chrome currently does not provide a built-in way to fully lock the extension page, but you can use a supervised user profile or third-party extension or Windows group policy to restrict access. For starters, the easiest way is to create a supervised child user profile. Once the settings are applied, user will no longer be able to access Chrome extensions or install or remove extensions. Another way is by Windows group policy, which are only for Windows Pro or Enterprise users. You can also download a block site extension and paste the URL here. Although it won't be able to fully block the Chrome extensions, it will block the URL from opening. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.